Hey guys, welcome to the video. It's ChessCube, and in today's video, we're opening a lot of dank meme goods, so I hope you guys are ready. Also, quick shout out to our premium memberships, so they won it in giveaways. It's a rule, and they get shout outs in the videos, so this is their shout out. We've only got one so far, and that's our moderator, Cannon295, so shout out to him. Alright guys, so we're going to be opening up 22 normal boxes, 5 gift boxes, and 1 God box. Stay tuned for the end of the video because we're going to be opening the God box. Alright, let's begin. We're going to open it up. Please use. Awesome! Wow, that's nice. Alright, let's use it one more time. Opening. Yay! One more time. Oh, only one, but it's fine. Okay, let's go. Another one. Okay, normal boxes are quite little, but I can't wait for the God box. It's gonna be awesome. We're getting a lot of items and a lot of money. Wow. A ton. I'm probably going to give away every single thing, so make sure to go check out our server, and you may be able to win a bunch of these stuff. Wow, we got a lot more. And this is just the normal boxes, guys. Just the normal box. We're going to be opening up the God box today. I think we used all of them. Let's see. Alright, we got all of them. Now we're going to use the gift boxes. I believe I have 5 of those, so let's yep, alright, let's begin these. Please use gift box. Opening gift box. Here we go. Wow. Okay, this is a lot more than the normal box, so that's good. Oops. There's an event. Ooh. Okay. Continuing to open up our gift boxes. Alright, I think that's over. Now we're gonna open up our God box. So a little bit of backstory on the God box and how I earned it. Usually God boxes cost around $1 million. You have to pay to other people, or you can buy it from the Dank Meme website for like real money. So I got the God Box by earning it on the disc hunt. Well, it was called the disc vent during Christmas. They're going to be doing a lot of events. I'll put the link in the description below, so when they start doing events again, you guys can win some God Boxes. And the hosts are actually some people that you might know. RJ, Silent Memer, Blue Triggerfish, Toadster, Pixarprize, and Custom Name. Also, shoutouts to their real servers as well. So I guess that's how I earned it, because I won it from that server. It's time to use the God Box. Alright, here we go. Awesome! Alright, so that's the God Box. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Join the servers in the description below and our server. We have a bunch of giveaways coming up today and tomorrow. So see you guys soon.